Hi my dear friends, hearty welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. So we are going to discuss linear equations one variable, how to solve the equation. So this may be the routine which you learned in your 7th and 8th standard, but here this is a problem connected to completely brackets, nothing but nested brackets. So it is a complicated simple equation. Now we have to solve it. Okay, so that also without going through LCM and etc. So please listen very carefully. It is also meant for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th students and the coming competitive examinations. So solution follows. Let 1 by 10 of 1 by 9 of 1 by 5 of x plus 2 by 3 plus 8 plus 16 plus 8 is equal to 1. So mark this as equation number 1. Now here 1 by 10 and the flower bracket stands for between the operation is nothing but multiplication. So here I can write now 1 by 9 of 1 by 5 of x plus 2 by 3 plus 8 plus 16 plus 8 is equal to 10 into 1 gives you 10 because I shifted to RHS. So here in the same way again here after 1 by 9 you have the square bracket. Before that you have here it is plus 8. So plus 8 transposing to that side becomes minus 8 because here 1 by 9 stands 1 by 9 afterwards you have the square bracket up to here itself. Okay. So now before shifting 9 to 1 by 9 nothing but 1 by 9 to that side we have to do this operation. So 1 by 9 of 1 by 5 of x plus 2 by 3 plus 8 plus 16 is equal to 10 minus 8 which gives you 2 here plus 8 shifting to that side. Now as we done in the first step the same we are going to do now. So 1 by 5 of x plus 2 by 3 plus 8 plus 16 is equal to 9 into 2. 1 by 9 transposed to that side becomes 9 by 1 nothing but 9 to the 18. So 1 by 5 of x plus 2 by 3 plus 8 is equal to 18 minus 16. And 9 into 2 gives you 18. So this 18 and plus 16 transposed to that side means minus 16. So here again 1 by 5 of x plus 2 by 3 plus 8 is equal to 2. Again here we have the bracket, before that we have 1 by 5 transposed to that side becomes 2 into 5. So here I can write x plus 2 by 3 plus 8 is equal to 2 into 5 gives you 10. Now this one I have to do it. So this implies x plus 2 by 3 plus 8 is equal to here it is 10. Now, so the many of the students here again they will be considering 1 and taking the LCM, that is a long process. Okay. So x plus 2 by 3 just shift to 8 to this side. So 10 minus 8. So x plus 2 by 3 is equal to here it is 2. Now cross multiplication. Now this is a easiest and the basic task, basic form or the problem of linear equation one variable that you know very well. So since LHS and RHS have equal to in the middle and the variable is x here, so by cross multiplication, so I can write 1 into x plus 2 by 3 is equal 1 into x plus 2 is equal to 2 into 3 gives you here x plus 2 is equal to 6. So again it implies x is equal to 6 minus 2 gives you x is equal to 4. So let us review what I have done the various steps to get the answer. So many of the students, they will be performing the LCM in the open brackets, simplifying, again performing the LCM here, again the total. So this is a long process by taking out the LCM in the brackets, and this is the easiest process just by removing of the floor brackets, next square brackets, next so on. So in this way we can overcome the problem. So this is a linear solution of the linear equation in one variable. This is a process and this is a question. So it involves many brackets. Whenever it is many brackets, you have to go through it very carefully, just like our BODMAS problem, which we have been discussed in the elementary level. So therefore the solution of 1 is, equation 1 is x is equal to 4. So this is a conclusion for our given problem. So please viewers and my dear friends, go for the easiest process. Don't get fear after seeing the question. Think it and go for the better steps. So in this way we can overcome the complicated problem of simple equations in the easiest method. Okay, without performing the LCM, this is the easiest process. So this type of problems is not only meant for 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th students of state and CBSE boards, it is also very important for your competitive level examinations in the future, also RRB or central government job examinations, etc. what you are going to write in the future. Dear friends, after watching the video, try a problem similar to that. Solve 1 by 5 of 1 by 4 of 1 by 3 of 1 by 2x minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1. So after trying, you are going to get the answer as x is equal to 402. It is a solution for the given simple equation.